Well, hello again, Solis Wealth family. Greg Solis here with the mid-July update. Boy, I don't know about you, but this it's getting a little challenging with this little flare-up with the virus. It looked like things were getting a lot better, but here in California, we've got a pretty good flare-up going here, and so the governor has shut down the restaurants again. We have to sit outside. Pretty tough for us desert people in the middle of July because it's literally about 118 degrees outside. So pretty tough to eat outside during this period of time. So been a little bit challenging, but this was kind of anticipated that we potentially would see these flare-ups. And so it's not really catching us off guard, but it's just kind of challenging. The good news is Hawaii did open up. They said they're going to open up in August. So as long as you get tested 72 hours before you fly there, and you test negative, we could go without being quarantined. So that was a good day for Nicole to know that she can go in August. So that's kind of exciting. And so we'll go get tested and 3 days before, and hopefully be able to take her and drop her off at school. It looks like Jack's school is going to be going in the fall as well. So he'll finish up his senior year at Cal Baptist University. And it looks like Emily's school, her sophomore year in high school, is going to go as well. So at this point, it looks like fall will be somewhat normal. We'll see how that goes, but we're continuing to pray through that. Markets have continued to do pretty good overall. If you recall, back in the early to mid part of June, the markets had that 45% rise from the bottom that we hit on March 23rd. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And if you recall, I had mentioned that I thought we might have moved a little too far, too fast, and that we were anticipating some pullback, and we thought that might be healthy, a little consolidation. Well, that's certainly what we got. We sold off quite a bit, which again, I think was warranted. I think we got a little ahead of ourselves. We saw the Dow Jones go from 18,500 all the way up to about 27,500, and now we're just about 25,500 plus thereabouts. So a pretty good sized pullback from that 27,500 number, which again I think is healthy. It's good. It's kind of a wait and see. And I think the economy needs to catch up a little bit, as I had mentioned before. But overall, things are much, much better. I think the market continues to try to price in what is coming up in the next 3 to 6 months. The key component that we continue to say is to have that proper balance in the portfolio, which we've been staying on top of that. Some asset classes have certainly been doing a lot better than others, particularly on the domestic side of equities. Large company growth has been the leader without question. And growth in general has done a lot better than value. Value has really lagged, particularly small cap value. And again, we take an allocation in all those different asset classes, and it's a perfect opportunity to rebalance. This is normal during these cycles, to get some asset classes that do real well, others that don't do as well. And then of course we see a rotation in that. And we're anticipating that sometime probably in the near future, we might see a big run in the value stocks, particularly small cap value. So we're keeping an eye on all that, and we'll make the adjustments accordingly behind the scenes. But all in all, things are pretty good. And just again, we're here for you. If you need us, don't hesitate to give us a call. We're all hands on deck. We have some taking vacations here and there, which is great to see. In the summer, we like to get out of the heat as much as we can. It's pretty brutal here. But wherever you are this summer, just praying for you, wish you and your family the very best. Stay healthy. And again, don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Take care. Goodbye for now.